The Emily and Abby Show.
The new doggy TV, but it's miniature sized.
And if you can't tell that it's about dogs, you're kind of stupid. Okay, don't take it personally, but you are stupid. And if you're stupid, then that's both stupid. Okay. Can I get a woof woof in here?
Woof woof.
The doggy TV, the doggy TV. They understand it and know what it means. The doggy TV, the doggy TV. Let's give your pets some entertainment. The doggy TV, the doggy TV, the doggy TV. Can I get another woof woof in here?
Woof woof.
Woof to the bar.
Woof woof. Give me a W.
W.
Give me an O.
O.
Give me an O.
O.
Give me an F.
F.
What's that spell? I think it spells woof. And if you don't know that, you're kind of loopy in the head. Crazy, okay? Let's just put it this way. It spells woof.
Yeah. I think they get that because you kind of said that earlier.
The doggy TV.
Okay, your pets will seriously love this. You gotta buy it. They're only $50. So if you don't buy it, I think your pets are gonna hate you for ever.
Because they'll see this on the TV if you're watching TV, and if you don't buy this particular TV for the doggies that's miniature sized and super portable, you're kind of dumb because they're only on sale for 3 months. So, bye!
We're not saying bye because we haven't done the woof woof dance.
Oh, yeah!
Just hold on a moment, folks. I'm getting it set up. No, just wait.
I'm sorry.
Woof woof dance. Woof 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 woof.
Woof, woof!
Woof to the paw. Woof woof.
Woof to the paw!
Woof woof.
Woof and woof, woof!
Woofity woof woof woof. Word. No, I didn't mean word. Woof.
Let's get some woofy woofy in here.
Woofy woofy woofy. Woofy woofy woofy.
Woofy woof, woofy woof, 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 woof!
Respect to the woofs.
Bye!